Today's video is on the most cost-effective solar light you can buy online, how it works, and what's actually inside. Let's get started. This light has a USB charging setup that just plugs in simply right to the light. It takes approximately from zero charge, 20 hours, till it is completely charged. It will charge with the solar panel approximately 260 milliamps, which will take pretty much forever. It has 5 working functions: maximum, medium, low, flashing, and slow flashing. It is rated for an 8-hour lamp time, but with my testing, the actual usage is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's break this thing open in a second to see how it works inside. There's a little hanging hook for outdoor purposes. Simply pop it open, little cover, and then there's a little LED strip with approximately 16 LEDs in it. Let's see what the battery looks like inside after we take this thing apart and see what you actually get for your $2.50 US. Doesn't seem to be put together too sturdy. There's a little LED strip, a simple 18650 battery inside. Looks like one of those very cost-effective Chinese models. It's a non-branded battery. That's probably why the service time is very minimal. There's a couple more screws in here. Let's take it apart and see what else is in here. From the solar panel, there's a positive and a negative lead, and then there's a little charging port, and then here's your button to turn it on and off. Very simple, with a little simple circuit board. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked today's simple solar light video. Please like and subscribe and come back for our next video. Thank you so much.